How to fix portrait mode not working on iPhone after iOS 18 update. So if you want to fix portrait mode not working on iPhone after iOS 18 update, then here's some solution to it. First, you gotta head over to your settings on your iPhone. After opening your settings, you need to just scroll down and then you'll find the camera option right here. Tap on camera. And under camera, you need to scroll down and you'll find lens correction. Make sure to enable the lens correction feature on your iPhone. At the very same time, disable the macro control. You might have the macro control. If you find it, you can go and disable that also. And now before you do anything else, I want you guys to just simply go ahead and open up your settings again and then scroll down and you'll find an option of screen time. So just scroll down, go with screen time. And under screen time, you need to scroll down and then go with an option of content and privacy restrictions. Once you're on your content and privacy restrictions, you need to go with allowed apps and features, but make sure that your content and privacy restrictions are turned on and then go with allow apps and features. And then scroll down and here, make sure that the camera option is toggled on. Once you've done that, you can go back and restart your iPhone. Most likely after that, your problem is going to be solved. However, if you still have the problem even after restarting your phone, then the last work you need to do is head over to your settings again. And then now you need to just scroll down, go with general right here. And under general, you need to go with software update. And if you have any updates, you need to just go and update it. So you need to go with your automatic updates and turn this on. And after updating, you can go and try again, which is here on the bottom, and check for updates. And even after updating, if that doesn't fix your problem, then the last solution you need to do is scroll all the way down on your general, and then you'll have transfer reset iPhone and go with reset, which is on the bottom, and then go with reset all settings. And once you reset, the problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.